Hey guys, this is going to be the second video of this playlist. So I got a request from one of the guy on Telegram. What he wanted to do is he wanted to go to CoinMarketCap. He wanted to go to recently added section. And this is a section which shows list of all the recently added cryptos. So here you can see all the cryptos which has been added in last 24 hours. And then he further wanted to go to each of these coins. For example, let's say you can go to Fimi Market. And then he wanted to see what is the Telegram group of this coin. So for example, here you can see if you go to chat, you can see this is a Telegram group. So he wanted to go and join all of these Telegram groups. He wanted to find out who is the admin of these Telegram groups and then wanted to send some promotional messages to those admins. So I'm going to show you how you can automate this thing. Okay. So again, as you can see, this is a web page. We just want to do a bit of web scraping in order to receive list of all of these Telegram groups for all of the recently added cryptos. Okay, so for that, I've just written a small program and I'm going to give the link of this program. So you don't really need to go step by step here. So all this program is doing is it is going to CoinMarketCap/new and it is going to figure out all of the recently added cryptos. And after that, it is going to each of those pages, going to detail section, going to find out Telegram channels for those. And then it is going to just display, here it is displaying the list of all of those Telegram channels. Okay. Telegram channels or groups, whatever you want to call it. I'm just calling it channel, but essentially it is groups. So now for all of these Telegram groups, what we want to do is we want to join these Telegram groups. We want to figure out who's the admin in these groups and then we want to send them some messages. Okay, so I'm just going to copy everything. So this is just one part of the program. The other part of the program I have done actually in PyCharm. So I'm just going to move to PyCharm. Okay, so we just copied all the groups. I'm just going to paste all of those groups here. Okay, I'm just doing it for the sake of explanation, but you don't really have to do this copy pasting. Both of your program is going to be eventually a single program and everything is going to run automatically. You don't really have to do this copy pasting or anything. Okay, so you just need to make sure you have all of these modules which I'm showing here. Then you need to make sure you have API ID, API hash and phone number mentioned here as it has been shown here. Okay. Now just make sure you do not share your API ID or API hash with anyone because these can result in compromising your Telegram account. Okay, so once you are done with that, then we can just scroll down and we can see here what has been happening here. Okay, so here it's a Telegram list of all the Telegram groups to which we want to join and find out who's the admin and then we want to send message to those admins. This piece of code, what we are doing here is we are just removing this piece. Okay, because we do not need this, we just need name of the groups. So we are replacing this with just blank and then it's just this Telegram group names is only going to contain the actual names of the groups. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. And once we are done with this, we are going to loop through all of these Telegram group names. Okay, and then what we are doing here is we are finding out all the participants in that group and we are applying a filter which is called channel participants admins. Okay, so what this is going to do is this is going to result in filtering only the admins. We don't care about any just random channel member or group member of that group. We are interested in only in admins, so that's why you need to put this filter here. Next line, what it is doing is it is just finding usernames. Okay, if you want to do it, you can do it, but all we are doing here is we are finding first name and last name of the user. Because what I want to do is when I want to send message to any admin, I also want to mention their name. Okay, so that's the reason we are doing this, and it's going to result in finding out the name of that admin and then we are sending a message to that admin. Okay, so receiver, here we are saying client.send message. Receiver is actually the name of the user. Client.send messages receiver, and here it's going to be whatever message which you want to send them. So here in this case, I just want to send a simple message. I just want to say hey, and it's going to be replaced with the name of the admin of those groups, and then we are saying what's the contract address for this group name. Okay, the group name is again going to be the name of the group, which is this one. And then if we run it, it is going to send all the messages, and then it is also going to print that message is sent to, and going to give the name here, name of the receiver. Now here is the Telegram. I just probably will have to go to all chats. I want to open it so you can see when the messages are going to be sent. We should be able to see those messages being sent here. Yeah, let's run it. I'm just gonna run it and let's see how it works. It is going to take some time. You can see it is now message sent to Ashley MMK, message sent to this group. Okay, so this failed in sending a message on one of the guys. Okay, so that's why this program failed. Probably we should have put some try and accept block, but it was able to send messages to these people. So I'm just gonna go to Telegram. Let's see if we are able to see those. So I think, yeah, here we can see. So we joined this Fimi Market official chat, and we joined. I think after that we sent message to Ashley MMK. So I have to find it here. Yeah, here you can see this is a message which got sent automatically. Hey Ashley K, what's the contract address for Fimi Market? So this is how the messages are going to be sent. Now this program resulted in some error because it was, I think, cannot cast none type to any kind of peer. Okay, it sent some error. So you can probably put some try and accept blocks. I'm just gonna put it under try block, and let's run this program again. Okay, so this time is fine. It's just ignoring the ones where it's not able to send messages, and to all other groups it has sent the messages. To all the other group admins, actually, it has sent the messages. Okay, you can see all of these. It is sending the messages. So let's go here. Here you can see all of these messages which is being sent. You can see it has sent message to Sinan because this guy is from this Telegram group, and you can see it is sending messages to all of these different admins who belongs to different groups. So that's all, guys, in this video. What I'm going to do is, let me share all of this code, and if you have any issues, or if you want to explain, if you want to understand something in more detail, I'll be able to explain those things on need basis. That's all in this video. See you again, guys, in the next video.